here from Notch Sandblasting, and we're doing another grouping of radiators. I wanted to show you this view specifically so you could see how gooked up and how many coats of paint are on these things. Now, as you can see, they also used to be pink. As hideous as that is, we are going to make it look crystal clean and brand new again. Not only are we going to take all the paint and rust off, but we're also going to paint them, and I'm going to take you guys through step by step. So here she is before, and I'm going to show you after as soon as it's done blasting. You ready? Here goes nothing. Ta-da! All done being blasted, and let's go back to that problem area. Notice all of it is gone. Looks fantastic, right? Back to newness. And that hideous pink paint, gone. And no more rust. Looks fantastic. Now, let's get this sucker painted and make it perfect. Ready? Alright guys, all done. We used some heat-resistant paint to make it black. Check this out. It looks so sleek. It's going to look great in a modern style decor. No pink paint, no rust. It looks fantastic. Tell me, there is something super satisfying about seeing it go from so bad to so good. Alright you guys, have a good one, and remember, Notch Sandblasting for all your sandblasting needs. Bye-bye.